We've been here since pretty much '94.
When the opportunity came to move into this little place, I was delighted. It's been hard, but it's been good for the family. So we're grateful for this little land here. It's very special to me.
So we've lived here for, let's see, I'm 27 now. We've lived here for 24 years.
The first thing we could finance was a mobile home, but we were never able to finance a well because of the expense.
I've never known what it's like to have water, really good water pressure. Never. In my house, ever. I've never known what it's like to take a nice hot shower. It's not a part of my life.
Goulds Water Technology contacted me with this opportunity to help this family, and so I coordinated my team, the Goulds team, the drillers, and several manufacturers who donated product.
When you can help somebody out like that, it gives you a real good feeling of gratitude that you're able to help somebody. With a partnership of Goulds and Austin Pump and everybody else, so everybody's putting their share in.
Besides the well, we also built a chicken coop for the family. The family had quite a few chickens. They were oftentimes, kind of like on an Easter egg hunt for the eggs, which was difficult for them, right? And difficult for Nisi. Being able to build the chicken coop was great. Took a nice team effort there, got it all together.
It's a good opportunity for us to give back to those who are deserving, do some good within the community, and it is in line with our broader corporate initiatives.
Today, it's like a dream come true. It's just like, wow, we're gonna get our own water well. And that's like, to me, that's amazing.
I am just overcome with the goodness of God in the heart of men. In the heart of this man, there's so much good, so much good.
I would have to say thank you. Thank you so much for not letting the craziness of our world today to hinder you from being a good person. And thank you so much for just being selfless.
Water is freedom. Oh my gosh, freedom and independence and riches. This brings riches to us because we now own a well.
It's been an amazing week. We were able to help a family in need. They're extremely grateful for that, and we did what we're set out to do. We solved water.